Namaskar and welcome morning to respected coordinators, sir, teachers, brother, sisters, and my dear friend. It's me, Aavash Chandra Yadav from grade 21 in front of you to deliver a short biography of Dr. Sanduk Ruit. Dr. Sanduk Ruit was born on September 4, 1954, Olomsing Gola, Taplazung district, Nepal, on the land of world third highest peak Mount Kanchenjunga, as a second child from father Sonam Ruit and mother Kisan Ruit. The nearest school from which village was in Darjeeling, so his parents decided him to send at St. Robert School in Darjeeling. Then his parents sent him to Siddharth Monastery School in Kathmandu, Nepal, from where he was graduated in 1969. And then he went to Lucknow of India for his MBBS from 1972 to 1976. Then he went to AIMS Delhi in 1981. After Delhi, he moved to Netherlands, Australia, US to become an ophthalmologist. Dr. Sanduk Ruit is one of the most popular ophthalmologists from Nepal. He has restored sight over 130,000 people across Africa and Asia. He is also known as the founder of Tilganga Eye Institute of Nepal. The main mission of Dr. Sanduk Ruit is to fight against global poverty and to provide healthcare. Thank you.